Mama, can you sleep by yourself?
Why, sweetie?
You're grown up. I'm small. I need daddy.
Oh my God!
Mama, big girl. Go sleep over there. I am tired. People watch me, but they don't love me.
They do.
They don't follow me.
Am I not good enough? Why are you so quiet today?
Chicken, I want candy!
My love, calm down. Eat a little, and then we'll...
Hey, little one! Stop complaining and eat what you have. That was prepared with effort and much love. Computer! Playing party music! No!
Playing your favorite high-energy dance track.
This is a family house, not your romantic playground.
Mr. Pecco, do you understand you're under oath?
Oh, I understand. I've been under trees, under cages, and now under pressure.